Please be aware that my package is open because I was practicing, but I will presume with the video as if it is an unopened package. First, I will complete hand hygiene for at least 20 seconds with using 3 to 5 milliliters of soap. Next, I will make sure my surface area is clean and dry. I'll open up my sterile gloving packet, put my package aside. Opening my sterile gloving, I notice the arrow is pointing down, so I will make sure it points towards me when I open the sterile gloving. I'll use my finger to slide under the 1-inch barrier and pull open. With my non-dominant hand, I will pinch the inside of the cuff to go on my dominant hand, making sure that it slides on correctly and does not touch, the outside of the glove does not touch my skin. Next, with my gloved hand, I will use my fingers to go under the second glove's cuff, and I will put in my second hand to the glove, making sure not to roll the glove, touching my skin. I will then make sure that the gloves are securely on my hands. I will then presume care for my patient. When I am done caring for my patient, I will remove the gloves by using one gloved hand to pull on the wrist of the other, safely pulling off the glove, putting it back onto the sterile paper, using 2 fingers of my other hand to go under the cuff of my second gloved hand, pulling upward, making sure not to touch the outside of the glove to my hand, placing both gloves on paper, also the package, closing and discarding this appropriately. I will then perform hand hygiene for an additional 20 seconds using 3 to 5 milliliters of soap. Sorry, my sink sometimes turns off by itself, but I will still use a second clean paper towel to turn off the faucet.